one here, looking straight down it. And as I look straight down through here, I'm trying to make that dot get right in the middle here. And when that dot gets right in the middle there,
whoa, you knocked it over.
right, but you got to learn how to get that dot into that middle. Okay, so let's try it again. Go sit the can up.
Oh wow, it went from here.
Sit it down.
Here.
Yeah, it went into it. Yep. Come on over here.
It's like a blazing bullet. Yeah.
Be careful now. Look, you're gonna put it on safety. Get yourself aim. Where does this go? Doesn't go up there. It goes up here. And you got to get your face, your cheek should be touching it here. Now you're using this eye. Close this eye and look down that thing. Line it up. You lined up? Safety's off. Line it up. You're going to miss a bunch of times, but that's how you're going to learn. Make sure that you're understanding what's happening. Go ahead and tell me when you're ready. Press the trigger. Woo! You hit it on your first try.
Yay! And look, it went right up here.
Yeah.
And out here.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. I
Yeah.
shot it. My first try.
All right. You can try it some more.
Yay!
I need them to have a chair, dear.